Good day, this is JT Tucker. I lead our Global Service and Solutions Group, and I'm Stefan Kalina, and we're going to talk about our global service offerings today. We know you make a huge investment when you buy our Carestream products, and as part of the global services team, we want to ensure that you get the maximum utilization out of your products. So Stephen, day to day, as we provide different capabilities to our customers, what are the key things you provide from a service organization for our customers?
Well, when it comes to service and being in the field every single day, it's really important that we provide our daily activities and service operation, excellence, as we like to call it.
And assisting you in the field, I believe you guys have a pretty strong technical support and remote support group too. Can you talk to something about that?
Oh, absolutely. There are multiple different sections of our service and support team that we have within Carestream. Not only do we have people that are within the field, we have people who are remote support, and then we also have individuals that are kind of a dual role where they are remote support but also helping and coming into the field.
Okay. I mean, we have one single goal in service here to ensure that your equipment is available when you need it for your customers and for your staff. We ensure total utilization, keeping it up running to company specs, using the service authorized parts, and basically be there for you as a trusted partner whenever you need us. The journey starts right before you purchase the equipment too. Stephen, can you tell them about some of the site planning and the install services we offer?
Absolutely. Yeah, when it comes to Carestream and the service that we provide, it starts from the very beginning. So right away, if someone is interested in a piece of equipment and we do a site visit, it's a total package. We want to come in, we want to look at our site, we want to check out all the dimensions, see what we can make work, and ultimately we always find a way to make it work.
Yeah, so as I said, field support, remote support, implementation services, training. We are your trusted partner. Whatever you need from us, we will be able to customize it for your needs for an institution, and we are there with you to support you on all your service and training needs.
It's very important to us in the field to always kind of remember that service goes beyond just the service call and beyond just the regular needs of our customers. Our relationship that we like to push here at Carestream is a very family-oriented aspect, to the business. I want to get to know you, we want you to get to know us, and we want to take the typical service call beyond for a total package.
Thank you.